Today's practice is an EFT tapping exercise for anxiety. It involves gently tapping with your fingers on a specific point of the body, representing energy centers. As we do this, you can repeat the phrases that are intended to create balance and calm anxiety. Starting on the side of the hand, even though I'm feeling anxious, I choose to let go. I choose to let go of the what-ifs, the should-haves, the could-haves, and live in the here and now. On the eyebrow, all of this time and energy. On the side of the eye, all of this worry and concern. Under the eye, it can be better spent. Under the nose, this part of me that is anxious. Under the mouth, it just wants to be heard. Collarbone, and I assure it I am listening. Under the arm, I understand what this part is feeling. Top of the head, I empathize with it and I offer compassion. Side of the hand, yet I also want it to understand me. The eyebrow, understand I have been on this earth for many years. Side of the eye, I've dealt with my fair share, and I've come through the other side intact. Under the eye, so we will overcome this together. Under the nose, but first we must let go and redefine your role. Under the mouth, from a protector of the unknown, collarbone, to the leader who will be there to bravely guide me through the dark. Under the arm, so let's let go. Top of the head, and make peace. Side of the hand, make peace that there are some things we cannot control. Eyebrow, some things that are out of our hands. Side of the eye, and that is okay. Under the eye, because we will make it through and persevere. Under the nose, no matter what it is on that other side. Under the mouth, I am brave. Collarbone, I am confident. Under the arm, I am calm. Top of the head, and therefore I am free.